Good afternoon, my name is Scott with Abrasives Inc. Hog Brand Products. We're excited today. We're going to be demonstrating one of the mainstays in the grinding industry, the hardcore variable speed, our standard product. It's available in two finishes. As shown here, this is our powder coat finish and our billet aluminum. Okay, we're going to make it real quick and easy. This is our variable speed new AC Baldor motor. As you can see here, just a switch of a button. We have the variable speed. One of hardcore's main points to a lot of customers is that we have very smoothest running machine in the industry. It doesn't require earplugs with the hardcore. You can see how quiet it is. I'm going to run this at full 7500 SFM right now so you can see the options. Now is that quiet or what? Now I'm going to show you our tracking feature. Just a simple knob, turn in or out until you get the belt lined up. As you can see how it's turning in and out. Bam, you're tracking perfect that fast. Now I'm going to show you our tension knob, which is located on the top here. The tension knob you can tighten or loosen as run as a slack belt basically. This basic variable speed grinder comes with an 8-inch contact wheel, idler wheel, the tension knob, the idler, and also your variable speed motor. Also, we'd like to show you different features that are available. One of the many benefits on the variable speed grinder is all the different knife makers attachments that we have. As you can see, I put the flat platinum attachment on. You have the platinum and the 5-inch wheel where you can work on that. Now let me show you how quick and easy this is. Versus our competitors, you have to have 2 wrenches. Very complicated. You push our stop locking button in, it locks. You can do this with one hand. Now you take the wheel off. There you take your Allen wrench. These all have arms on it. So basically we have all the attachments. The small wheel attachment, the 8-inch wheel, the 10-inch wheel. We have a flat platinum that goes up top. Slides off that easy. Also, we have the small wheel attachment. So basically, you pop the bolt off. This just clamps right on. Take an Allen wrench, bolt it on real quick, you're set to go. Here's how our wheels work. Ball bearing driven. Here's a 1/4 inch hard metal. Slides in. Once the belt goes on top of it, it locks in place. Comes in and out, ball bearing driven. Here's a 1/2 inch rubber mount, urethane base. We make our own wheels. Pops in, pops out. Also available is our small wheel work rest station. Basically the same thing. Slides over the top with an Allen wrench. Put your contact wheel back in place. Run your belt. You're set to go. Also, we wanted to note our new ergonomic design stand. Most stands point out this way. We put our stand out this way, where it's counterbalanced, powder coat finished. For more information on our variable grinders from Hardcore Products, click on to abrasivesrus.com. Thanks for listening.